in this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate how to create the top navigation bar of our website. So I have my XAMPP server running. I have my Bootstrap files and folders installed. Let me quickly first show you where these are installed before I begin the actual coding of creating the first index.php file. So I'm going to navigate to my file explorer here, and here's the tutorial folder, which is placed under the htdocs folder. So once you create the tutorial folder, or you can give it any name if you like, but the important thing is to make sure that within this tutorial folder you have your CSS fonts and JS folder, which is when you install Bootstrap, these folders are to be copied in the tutorial folder. So once you have these folders here, I'll navigate back to my browser here. Notice my URL is my local host, and then my port number 8015, and then the tutorial folder. And within this folder, I have 3 subfolders, and each of these folders contain various files. If I click on any one of these folders, notice I'll navigate to my fonts folder, for example. So let's go back. So right now, I have no index.php. There is no site right now. All we've done so far, again, is install the XAMPP server, install Bootstrap. So let's open our editor, which in this case, I'm going to use Atom. As soon as I click on the editor, by default, shows me on my left navigation the tutorial folder and then the 3 subfolders that you see when you install Bootstrap. And the easiest way to open your editor, since I already had this open, I'm going to close it so I can quickly demonstrate how to make sure that you have your folder open in the Atom editor. So let's close this. Let's go to our Explorer. So all you have to do is just simply right click on the tutorial folder and click on Open with Atom. And what this will do is open up the editor for us, and it will show us the folder that says tutorial, and of course all the subfolders within the tutorial folder. For right now, we need to create our first index.php file. In order to create our top navigation bar, the first thing we have to do is we need an index.php file. And that's one of the reasons why when I go to my browser, I don't see a home page or any page. In fact, it just shows me the list of directories within the tutorial folder. Okay. All right, let's navigate back to the editor here. So right click on tutorial and click on new file, and I'm going to call it index.php. And notice new file is created which says index.php. So the first thing I have to do is specify the doc type, which is, I need an exclamation mark first, and then HTML.